Look at these sentences. She said that she was tired. She asked if I was coming. She told me not to shout. She exclaimed that the dress was beautiful. These are very common sentences we use in everyday English. Now focus on these words: that, if, not to shout. Once again, that. You understand that without these words, you cannot connect the first parts and the last parts of the sentences. So, connective words in the reported speech show the connection between the reporting verb and the reported idea. If you'd like to know more about reporting verbs and reporting clauses, watch our previous video. Link is in the description box. Let's check the connectives for different types of sentences. She said that she was tired. This is an assertive sentence. They are normal statements, and that is a connective for them. She asked if I was coming. This is a yes or no type interrogative sentence, and if is the connective. She asked whether I liked tea or coffee. This is an interrogative yes or no type sentence on preference. For yes or no type questions on preferences, the connective is whether. He asked where I lived. She wondered why I was sad. These are interrogative sentences with WH words. The WH word itself acts their connectives. He told me to close the door. She told me not to shout. These are imperative sentences. For the positive imperative sentence, to plus base form of the verb, and for the negative imperative sentence, not to plus base form of the verb will become the connectives. She exclaimed that the dress was beautiful. This is an exclamatory sentence expressing strong emotions, and that is the connective word for them. Let's go for a practice exercise section. You have to identify the sentence type with the help of reporting verbs and connectives. He said that he was feeling tired. She asked if I had seen her phone. He asked where I had been. The teacher told us to submit our notebooks. She exclaimed that it was such a beautiful morning. Check your answers. The words in red are reporting verbs and words in blue are connectives. Let's check the types of sentences. This is an assertive sentence. This is an interrogative yes or no question. Interrogative WH question. Imperative sentence. And the fifth one is an exclamatory sentence. Are all your answers correct? Great. If not, watch the video again. You'll get it. Here is a bonus spoken English tip for you. In everyday English, that often disappears. Tone helps instead. We'll make this clearer a little later. He said he would call later. This sentence is smooth and natural in spoken English. In formal situations or in writing, you can add that. He said that he would call later. She exclaimed it was unbelievable. This is natural in spoken English. She exclaimed that it was unbelievable. You can use this in writing or in formal situations. But can we always drop that? No. If the reporting verb is longer or emotional, keeping that makes the sentence flow better. She cried out that it was unfair. Cried out is the reporting verb and it's long and it sounds emotional. In this case, omission of that makes the sentence awkward or unclear. So let's check whether to keep or drop that. In formal or written English, keep that. She exclaimed that it was wonderful. In natural or spoken English, use of that is optional. She exclaimed it was wonderful. After long or emotional reporting verbs, keep that. She shouted that it was unfair. These are the moments where English language gets a bit tricky. To get more tips like this, subscribe to our channel, Grammar Peedom. Watch this video to know about reporting verbs and reporting clauses.